So this is one of my very special places in Indonesia where they have all the herbs and spices that I need. All right, so this is the place. Today I got two products that I'm going to talk to you about later. One of them is, hold on, let me see if I can open this bag. All right, hold on. One of them is thelegendofquan, and the other one is, I'm gonna let you see, she back on it right there, is Tungat Ali. So I'm gonna talk about those two. And as you can see, there's many. I actually have over 500 different herbs from here. This Tungat Ali and the thelegendofquan are two ingredients of a few that's in one of my products. And I'm gonna tell you what they do in later videos.